Could be seen of people casting their ballot not only for the next commander-in-chief, but also several hot-button issues in the area. One of those being Amendment 1, which would have changed how the Healthcare Authority Board assigns its members.
And last night, the voters denied that amendment. WDHN's Robert Smith Jr. has the latest on this ruling.
The controversy is over between Southeast Health Hospital board members and county commissioners after Houston County voters spoke volumes rejecting the potential change in the appointment process. Southeast Health thanking voters in a statement for keeping the process the same, quoting, "We don't take for granted the trust voters have instilled in Southeast Health when it comes to appointing members to the Houston County Healthcare Authority." 64% of voters in Houston County said no to giving county commissioners input to come up with names and nominate people they think could be appointed on the hospital board. The hospital quoting, "The outcome of the vote will allow the authority to continue following the 1982 Alabama Healthcare Authorities Act and ensure the check and balance process remains in place." The board will continue giving a list of names to the commission for them to make an appointment, and they say they will continue working with the commission to vet quality candidates for appointments.
I hope that both sides recognize that, we can't keep button heads. Obviously we have a big difference of opinion over how the appointment process should work, but it works the way it works, and it's enshrined in the law. And, there's a lot of things that I don't necessarily agree with, but I can't do anything about it. And this is just one of those things.
Shoup says overall they are glad to get this behind them. As he said, people and county officials outside of the area were aware of this issue within the county, which he says was sad.
But the people have voted that they want to keep it the way it is, and that's the end of the issue. That is the end of the debate as far as I'm concerned. We don't need to debate about it. We don't need to talk about it. We need to move forward. The commission has to accept it. This is the will of the people.
Southeast Health Board says they will continue providing the best health care and medical education as they can. In Houston County, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.